Oh, starting. Can barely get the whole wall in the frame. Oh, fucking apocalyptic.
It looks like something fucking blew up. That dark. Eric keeps saying there's like dark areas in the middle. It's weird. I have to see it stuff. Yep, it's over their house now. I'm going back inside. This is coming fast. It's over right where we were.
That's why I kept moving. South Mountain, or A Mountain is gone.
It's like right there.
We were just there. We're not the only person who wants to get a picture. That's fucking cool.
Yeah.
I've lived here a long time. This is probably the worst one I've seen. I can't get it in the picture anymore. I'm gonna video until this sucker gets right on top of me. Like, well, kind of like it is. Oh, wow. Look, oh, that poor plane. That poor plane. Oh, that poor plane is stuck in it. I can't see the plane. I hear it. He's gunning it. Well. Oh, wow. I think it's here. And it's officially black as night all of a sudden.
Oh my god. That's fucking scary as shit.
It's as black as night. Okay, I can't see. Oh, wow.
I just hope nothing flies at us. Holy fuck.
Taping this, just so you know.
Okay.
It is pitch black out here. It is as good as night. A minute ago, the sun was visible, and now it is gone. This is awesome. I'm so glad I sat up there and videotaped it until it hit. Somewhere there's a stop sign in front of us.